All right, good morning, Honor Chem students. It's review day today, so really brief message. Want you to take a look at what we are doing on review day. So you guys are in my daily message here. I have some things that you should take a look at. Please remember attendance, attendance, attendance. Please take attendance. Please complete the activities if there is like a daily lesson quiz that needs to be done by 11:59 each night. So you guys know my routine is I get up in the morning, I figure out what you guys are going to do, I do my daily message, then I go to look to see what you guys submitted last night. And I put it in Campus. So if you didn't submit it last night, it will show up as missing. This week, if you have anything to catch up on that, you have to do that and then let me know so that I can catch it, so that I can go and look for it. So if you have some missing items, please make sure that you take care of that today as well, to prepare us for the test. So tomorrow's going to be a test. It's going to be a multiple choice test that you will take tomorrow. There's 15 questions. A lot of it is mathy, about 10 mathy and about 5 content type questions. And then you are going to also give me your presentation on your gas phenomena that you did. So that is the plan. So for today, to prepare for that test, you'll see that we have a learning menu. So here's kind of just telling you what it is worth. You will notice that there's some things for you guys to do and work on. There's the learning targets are here if you want to review what the learning targets were for this unit. There's some fun outside source gas law games. This is really fun, is a breakout game called Helium Hero. This I would take if you are extremely confident and you're well prepared for the test. This breakout game is just kind of more of a puzzle that is kind of a fun thing to do. So that is the learning menu. Taken daily attendance. There's my final plug for that. And then the last thing that I just want to show you is that tomorrow, which some of you guys have been looking at already, but tomorrow you will be taking the attendance and there will be a test here. I don't have it set up yet. And then this is where you will put in your gas law project. I'm going to talk to Ms. Herring. I was thinking we're not going to open that up until till tomorrow, but there may be a chance that we open it up and allow for submissions today, but I haven't talked to Ms. Herring about what she wants to do with that. So just kind of stay tuned for that. But that is really what we're thinking you're working on today, is you're working on review day. Again, I'm here till 3:30, so email me if you guys have any questions. Have a great day.